Good morning. Ira Epstein of Lynn & Associates with an active Tuesday morning for June 18th, 2019, just getting on to 9:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Stock market roared. Moments ago, President Trump tweeted that he had had a great conversation with Chinese President Xi. The two are going to meet at the G20, and they have advanced teams going in to set this all up. Therefore, the idea that the two wouldn't meet, that there would be tariffs immediately going on China, that part is off the table. The market realized that, gave a big jump into the marketplace, dollar up on that news. Even the energy markets rebounded smartly off of that. They had been languishing lower, and what took place when that went on is you've got to think of how this all works. If we get trade coming back between China and the U.S., or even the hope down the road that it will. It's not going to be at this meeting, but the fact that maybe the negotiators find a common ground to start talking, the market will consider that friendly. The bonds and the notes, you have a two-day FOMC meeting beginning right now. In Europe, the euro's down because European Central Bank President Draghi made a lot of comments today. Sounds to me as though they're going right back into a quantitative easing mode immediately, sooner than you can imagine, and that's putting pressure on those markets against the dollar. When we take a look at all the day's data, as I said, Presidents Xi and Trump getting together at the G20. Housing starts, while they were down 0.9 of a percentage point to 1.269 million rates, the market was expected up 0.4 to 1.24. So the number's sort of mixed right here. It's not as bad a number. I kept looking at this because now you're down to 1.269. They're expecting up 0.4 to 124. Something in that doesn't make sense to me. The permits were up 0.3 to 1.294. They expected it up 3, so they got what they were looking for. And we saw a big revision upward in the April housing starts to 6.8% from the 5.7. Redbook sales, there is a little bit of a drop here. They were down 2.4% the first 2 weeks of June. They were up 5.25% the first 2 weeks of June 2019 versus 2018, and they're up 5.4% for the weekend of June 15th. But still a little bit weakness there. When we go to the ISC, it's different. They're showing 2.7% up from a year ago and 3.1%, but they're not just showing the raw number there for those first 2 weeks. As I said, European Central Bank Mario Draghi has said that the bank would cut interest rates or expand its giant bond buying program. How big they're going to make their balance sheet is anybody's guess, but they're not doing well. And off of that news, if you took a look, the yield on the 10-year German bond fell to an all-time low of negative almost 0.3%. That is a monster number. So you imagine you're giving them money for 10 years and you're going to just keep getting back less and less. Not a very good move, and it explains why the dollar has been so strong and why our stock market is so strong, because you do have foreign money coming in. At the same time, China is holding less U.S. Treasury than it has in the past 2 years. You'd expect that. What they're probably doing is, as their maturities are coming up, they're taking the money home. I doubt that they're in the market selling the Treasuries. More or less, they're letting the balance sheets that they own here run off the market. One of the things in the afternoon I do is talk technical to you. And with that in mind, you might want to brush up and get our volumes 1 and 2 of Guide to Technical Indicators. It covers all of these different subjects. The booklets are each about 23 pages long, full color. We've made them into PDF files for you to easily either print them out or just enjoy them on your computer screen, whichever is more convenient for you. But it covers many of the top areas here. It's free. And when you're looking at this, you can also sign up for our other offers. Where do you do it? You go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. You'll see a carousel of free offers. Just click on that. You can call my staff, 866-973-2077. They'll get it out to you. Or if you're watching me on YouTube, just click this icon. It'll take you right to our page. I'm Ira Epstein. See you this afternoon. Good luck. Good trading to you.